small word, many confusing meanings. Go on, go out, go after, go into. But after this video, you will use go phrasal verbs like a native. In this video, we will learn the phrasal verbs that start with go. So welcome back to my channel Upgrade English Pro. So let's start with number 1. Go out. Go out means to leave home, stop burning. So let's understand by example. We are going out tonight. The boy went out the candle. Number 2. Go on means to continue. Let's understand by example. Please go on with your walk. Number 3. Go off means to explode or stop working or to become angry. So let's understand by example. The alarm went off at 6 a.m. The bomb can go off. Number 4. Go back means to return. Let's understand by example. I went back home early. Number 5. Go through means to experience, to examine. So let's understand by example. She went through a hard time. Please go through the document. Number 6. Go ahead means to continue or give permission. So let's understand by example. Go ahead and ask your question. You can go ahead with the plan. Number 7. Go up means to increase. Let's understand by example. Home prices are going up. Number 8. Go down means to decrease or to happen. So let's understand by example. The price of home went down. Number 9. Go into means to investigate or inquire into something. So let's understand by example. The police is going into the case. Number 10. Go against means they are in a state of conflict. So let's understand by example. Both are going against to each other. So let's have a quick recap all the phrasal verbs. Go on means to continue. Go out means to leave home or stop burning. Go back means to return. Go off means to explode, stop working. Go through means to experience or examine. Go ahead means to continue or to give permission. Go up means to increase. Go down means to decrease or happen. Go away means to leave. Go against means to oppose or conflict. This was one verb many meaning series. Next video we will come up with phrasal verbs with run. So subscribe so you do not miss it. Thank you.